Imagine yourself in this 2011 Honda Civic. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an alarm system, power steering, air conditioning, and for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: daytime running lights, low tire pressure warning. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.